Hey ladies, here is Nicole from NBK-Design, and I'm doing today this chat at the Lilypad, and I have something prepared for you. So we all have those problems doing shadows, and I like to teach you a little bit how to do shadows in different ways in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC 2018. I am not sure how the shadowing works with Photoshop Elements, but maybe you can get an idea and use it also in Photoshop Elements. But for now, we are here in Photoshop 2018. First of all, there are always different ways to do shadowing, and first of all, there is a way. I don't do it this way often. It's the way you use the wave filter in Photoshop, and there are some parameters I like to give you on your hand that you can start with it. So first of all, I have this 12 by 12 paper here, and a journal card from my Art Therapy #1 collection. First of all, when I place something, I always place it as a smart object. That's something I do always because of the resolution. It doesn't lose resolution. You can transform it, you can place filter on top of it, but that's another topic. So this is what we're gonna do. We duplicate the layer with the card first of all. For that we press Command J, or you go and say duplicate layer here in your layers palette. So we go and select the layer we duplicated, or the one underneath it, and rasterize it. We can turn off the first layer with the journal card, so we have a direct clue. Then we go and we need to select the little icon of the image itself, and then we can go with the mouse here, right mouse click, select pixel. So we selected now this area, and we can fill it with a blank black color. Okay, so here we go. So this is now our shadow layer. We can rename it shadow. Okay, so on top we have the card, and underneath we have this shadow layer here. I'm gonna delete that. Okay, then we go to, I have here those parameters, what you need now here in my folder. So I'm gonna place it underneath. Nope, that's not a good idea. So on top, but we need to select the shadow layer. Okay, then we go to distort and wave. Okay, and then you can see this is the window that opens here in Photoshop, and then we have those parameters. It's minimum 510. We have here the wavelength is that max 600, and amplitude 1 and 2, and then horizontal vertical is also 100%. We go here with the sign, and then we say here wrap around. So I have that all already added here. We go OK, turn that off, and as you can see, this is just, I'm going back one step, and then you can see it's not much what happens here. We're gonna zoom in, go back, and it's only a little bit of a twist, but we don't need more. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on here the card, and as you can see, we have now a little bit of those black little shadow, but now we need to blur it. This is something you need to learn, and you need to, this is up to you how much you like to have it blurred. The more you blur it, the more unrealistic it will look. Let me say it this way, because if you have something really close placed, if you see something on a surface close, then you have small harsh shadows. They are not that much blurred. So you need to take care here how much the radius is. I'm going to between 3 and 4.5, but all up looks for me unrealistic. So let's go here with 3.8 and I'm happy. What I think is that the black of the shadow is a little bit too much, and for that I go down a little bit with the opacity, okay? And then we go and see the whole thing this way. Okay. So this is the first step what you can do, or the first way how you can do shadowing. In the chat I will later give you the exact parameters that you can save that as an image, and so you have that on your desktop, and can save it and always use it or look into it when you need it. This is the image. Okay, so this is the first version. Okay, I'm gonna make now a break, because I will give you all the shadow version in extra videos that you are that you'll be able to ask me things about that. Okay, so this is the first round of the video, and we're gonna see us in the next one.